Hey everyone, it's Mario. As of this recording, yesterday the Tekken World Finals for 2023 ended. So it's the last big tournament for Tekken 7. Just like last year, Namco invited a lot of artists to submit their own Tekken artwork to be part of the Tekken World Tour final stream during the intermissions. I had submitted last year my Julia versus Ogre artwork. I checked the stream, it didn't seem like I had made it in. But this year, I did make it in. It was Julia and Michelle, her mom, her adopted mom, in the desert of Arizona. So today we're going to look at both artworks, the one that didn't make it and the one that did make it. A little speed drawing of both of them. Both of them feature Julia. So for the Tekken 2022 World Finals, I had planned to enter a drawing of Julia Chang doing her bow and arrow kick on True Ogre, the final boss of Tekken 3. I went for Julia's Mother Nature outfit, since it represented her Native American heritage more than any of her other in-game costume designs. I also really like the look, and I feel like it doesn't get drawn as much in the Tekken fan art community. I had decided to make her fight Ogre since originally in the game's canon, it was her mother's, Michelle Chang's own pendant that was the key to us summoning Ogre in Tekken 3. Drawing True Ogre is fun since he's a mixed mash of different animals in one. If I remember correctly, I don't believe I was going to finish the drawing in time, and I just submitted Julia with a blue background on Twitter. I looked at last year's Tekken World Final stream just to make sure that I didn't miss my drawing in the stream, and either I missed it or just wasn't included, since Namco really doesn't let us know if they include our artwork in the Tekken Finals. Later I finished the fully rendered drawing with more shading and True Ogre in the background, plus more colors in the background and added effects. For the Tekken 2023 World Finals, I originally had planned to just draw Julia in her default Tekken 7 look, doing her signature running elbow attack. Then I decided to add her adopted mother, Michelle Chang, beside her. For Michelle, I went with her default look in Tekken Tag Tournament 2, while she's performing her lunge punch that both characters have. I set them against the Arizona desert at dawn, because it's the home state of their tribe in-game. There's also a subtle nod to Michelle's ending from Tekken 1, with the small house in the background. The Chinese character in the sun is Chang, which is their last name. A little Easter egg with the flags on top of the roof of the house. One is for Arizona, and the other is for Hong Kong, since that's where Michelle's father's side of family came from, and the reason why they both know Kung Fu. That's it for now. I was happy to see my Tekken fan art get included this year, even though it really didn't amount to much in terms of new followers or make me more well known. It was nice to see my drawing get exposed more to the general public in any way.
Hey bub, like, comment, and subscribe to Mario U Comics, or else bub. Berserker Barrage!